So there is a way in Canada to save on taxes using your home mortgage. Let's get into it. All right, why the discussion about in Canada? If you look at an American counterpart, Americans, when they own their own homes, they get to write off the interest on their mortgage. Okay, so they get to create a deduction. If they paid $20,000 in interest that year, they get to reduce their income by $20,000, thereby paying less tax overall because of that deduction. We don't have that option in Canada to write off interest on our principal residences. In exchange, though, we have this glorious thing called principal residence capital gains exemption. So as the property appreciates or goes up in value from when you bought to when you sell, there's no gains to report on your tax return. That's all free and not taxable. Our American friends have to pay tax on that gain. Minimal, but still taxable. So in Canada, how do we try to create a structure so that we can find a way to write off the interest we're paying on our mortgages? I'm not creating it, it exists. It's called the Smith Manoeuvre. And essentially what it means is you take some money and you pay down your mortgage. And then you borrow that money right back out. So you've taken the money, put it into your mortgage, and then you pull that money back out immediately through a readvanceable feature. So if you got a line of credit, for example, attached to your home, like a HELOC, put your money in, pay down the principal, pull out the money on the other side as a loan. And as long as you use that money to acquire something of an investment, the interest now that you're paying on that mortgage is tax deductible, so long as you can prove that money was used to fund an investment. So what's an investment? Anything's an investment. If you have the expectation of making money from that, so it could be stocks, it could be bonds, it could be lending, it could be buying real estate, anything that can traditionally or typically qualify as an investment, you can use this framework for. The Smith Maneuver. Fraser Smith up in BC coined the term, created the strategy, wrote books about it. There's even online sources everywhere. But I suggest you give it a shot. Take a look at what this entails and see if there's a way to introduce this into your life. I am here to help, along with my peers and my support network, to see if it's something we can make happen for you as well. Now go on, get wealthed up.